Hi, today we are going to build a heart in Illustrator, and this vector heart can be used as a cut file projects such as earrings, or you can use it in building a coat. Moreover, for the fun of it, I have added a watercolor PNG file. So just for fun, like, you get a cut file and a sublimation PNG which I created by making a heart with watercolor. So these files will be available for free from my Creative Fabrica store, and the link will be in the description. And you can see these files are free for now, so grab them and experiment with them. We will start building our heart. So for making a heart in Illustrator, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use pencil tool, and I'm going to choose a 1-point stroke. Simply what I'm going to do is draw a shape like that with my pencil, and here you go, little bit heart shape. Now I want to simplify this design because there are so many anchor points on this design. So for that, I'll go to Object, Path, Simplify, and now you can see that anchor points are reduced, and now originally it had 9 and now it has 3, which is ideal for the cut files if we want to make. So now you can see here, now we look at this design, we see that I have to reflect this design and join these two paths, and this is not aligning properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my direct selection tool from here, select this point and hold shift and select this point, and go to my align panel. And on align panel, when you align two anchor points, this option appears. It says align to key anchor. Now I will choose horizontal align center, which will bring them in a one sort of area where it will be easier for me to join them. Now I'm going to select this, right click, transform, reflect, and I'm going to vertically reflect them and copy the design. Now there are two ways to bringing it to the other side. First is that I use arrow keys on my keyboard and bring it to the other side, or I can select this item and hold shift and bring it to the other side. Now you can see that these two are separate entities. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to join them, and for that I'll go to my direct selection tool, select these two anchor points, and go to pencil tool area, and there you have join tool. This join tool joins the two anchor points. So I'm going to click and hover and join, and now I'm going to do the same on the lower part of the design. I'm going to show you a close-up. I'm going to again select my direct selection tool, select these two anchor points by a rubber band like sort of thing, and selecting these two anchor points, and then again go to join tool and click and hover, and now it will make it into a one shape. Now I can simply show you by selecting this. I will swap it from stroke to fill. There you go, your heart is ready. This is not only a good cut file, but also it is a very nice design which will cut nicely. Our heart is now developed, and now it is a ready to go file. Now what I want to show you is something. I want to give you something as a bonus. So what I did is I drew these watercolor hearts in Adobe Fresco, and now I will use this design which I made as a sort of cookie cutter sort of thing, because I want this is a very nice drawing, but I want to present a very nice beautiful heart with nice edges. So if somebody wants to use this as a sublimation, then they can it will be a nice use. So I changed the color to show you. I want to keep the watercolor heart outside and the edges of this heart which I created right in the middle. Now I'm going to select, now I'm going to select both of those and right click, make clipping mask. Now I have this heart and this heart for you ready. Now they can be both same size, so one heart can be used as a cutting file and this watercolor heart can be used as a sublimation.